Welcome to Civil Diary. Here are 18 plus luxury modern door designs. I'll share key tips to help you pick the right door for your home. Choose solid or engineered wood with a good PU finish. Cheap laminates peel quickly, so it's best to avoid them. Matte or glossy finishes look classy and are easy to clean. A little regular care keeps the door looking new. Minimalist or geometric patterns suit modern homes. Depending on your space, swing, sliding, or double door work perfectly. Good quality locks, hinges, and handles are essential. A stylish door should also be strong and safe. Measure your entrance before choosing a door. Oversized doors may look fancy but can be tricky to maintain. Natural shades like beige, brown, or grey are timeless. Accent lines or black handles add a premium look without being too flashy. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Civil Diary for more home designs and tips. Thank you.